Back to the class. So we have 2 exponent x equals 40. Okay, so this is an exponential equation. So our equation becomes 2 exponent x equals 4 times 10. Okay, all right, so you're going to have 2 exponent x equals, now 4 is the same as 2 exponent 2 and 10 is the same as 2 times 5. Okay, so we are going to have 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 2, and 2 is the same as 2 exponent 1 times 5. All right, so let's apply the first law of indices here. Okay, so we can say a exponent m times a exponent c should give us a exponent m plus c. So we're going to have 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 2 plus 1, and then here we have 5. All right, so you're going to have 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 3 times 5. Okay, so 2 exponent x equals 2 exponent 3 times 5. All right, so let's divide here by 2 exponent 3, here by 2 exponent 3, in order to apply the quotient rule. So this and this will cancel. So we have 2 exponent x over 2 exponent 3 equals, okay, 5. Now let's apply the quotient rule. So a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So we're going to have 2 exponent x minus 3 equals 5. Now the base here and the base here are not the same, so let's apply logarithm. Okay, so we say log 2 exponent x minus 3 equals log 5. Okay, so let's apply the logarithm definition here. So we're going to have log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. And this gives us x minus 3 times log 2 equals log 5. All right, so let's divide here by log 2 and then here by log 2. So this and this will cancel. So we're going to have x minus 3 equals log 5 over log 2. Now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. So we're going to have x minus 3 equals log 5 base 2. Okay, so we have x equals log 5 base 2 plus 3. Okay, all right.